What's up, guys? It's just gonna be a quick clip. You know, if you guys do support this type of content, please show some love, some support. You already know how to do that, so yeah, enjoy the video.
What's up, guys? This is Trevor here. This will be my first video on this YouTube channel, so if you guys do enjoy this type of content, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, let's get right into the video. This video will be about how to cope with school during COVID-19, during a pandemic, and I will be pointing out 5 factors that have helped me throughout this whole pandemic with school, of course. So yeah, let's get right into it. Number one would be having a routine. Having a routine really matters, just because let's say you wake up late in the day, or you wake up without a routine. That usually just leads to procrastination, a waste of time, and with all this time that we have now, with this whole pandemic, we're not allowed to really go outside or, see the people that we used to see all the time. It's best if we keep track of our own time and we create a routine for ourselves. So, we better manage where our time goes to, because we don't have all the time in the world. And at least for me, I used to not go with a routine, and I used to just go throughout my day, go to class, study when I wanted to, go to the gym when I wanted to, and that really, it works, but it doesn't work the best when you want to take full advantage of all the time you have, especially in these times. And yes, having a routine really helped me personally, because like I said, I never really kept track of my time, so I would be, let's say, going to the gym, and I'd spend like 2 hours there, and then I'd come home and it'd be already like 6 o'clock, and I didn't have any time to go study or anything, and I have to make dinner. Yes, and that's just one reason why you should have a routine. There's many reasons why you should have a routine, just because it does give you a sense of control of your day. Also with that, it improves your organization, your productivity, your focus, and it's best if you make it a habit, you know what I mean? So yeah, that goes for number 1. Number 2 is working out. Working out is very important, especially in these times where there's a virus out there, and we need our immunity to work its best. So I recommend working out. I usually fit that in my routine, like I said. And I make it a habit that I go almost every day, or at least 4 times a week, lifting or just doing some cardio on the side. And it helps with your focus. It helps with a lot of other things, such as your, like I said, your productivity, your organization, and yeah. So number 3 would be finding a hobby or working towards your hobby that you're currently working on. This is very important, because right now, with all this time, like I said, it's not good to waste our time, especially when I'm assuming you guys are around my age, or even older or younger. You sort of, you will hit the point where you'll realize, hey, we don't have all this time in the world to be spending on just useless things. And like I said, I recommend you finding a hobby, such as for me right now, I am getting into investing. I am also reading a lot more, so that's that. Right now I'm reading this book. It's called The Intelligent Investor. It's a very, very good book, especially if you're into investing. This is like a basis of what you should read when you're getting into it. But yes, also with that, what I'm doing right now, YouTube, that's another hobby of mine I'm working towards. And yeah, best if you find a hobby, especially in these times where we have so much time. So yeah, now number 4 would be keeping in contact with your friends and family, especially I know I say this a lot, but especially in these times where we don't get to see all the people that we used to see all the time. And at least for me, my parents are across the world. I grew up in Macau, so that's where my mom's from, and that's where I grew up. So a lot of my friends that I grew up with, a lot of my family are over there. So it's best, you know, personally, I like to contact them like every 2 days to check up on them. They like to check up on me, and yeah, it's especially in these times, man, where, you know, we really don't get to see the people we used to see so often. And yeah, it really just helps. It never hurts to go reach out to somebody, see how they're doing, and yeah, so that's number 4. Number 5 would be getting healthy sleep. Getting healthy sleep is very important, especially when you're in school or you're just like working with your routine. You're not going to be able to do all those things without adequate sleep, because, you know, your energy levels are not there. You're not going to feel as refreshed as you would if you didn't get like 8 hours of sleep. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, getting healthy sleep is very important, especially especially in these times, because we have all this time, and you know, sometimes we get carried away. I personally get carried away. Sometimes I like game, and I game till, you know, late night, and it sucks. It sucks for the next day, because I won't have any energy to study, to even like get out of bed. And I'm sure a lot of you have felt that way as well. So yes, getting healthy amount of sleep is very important. And that's all for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys please subscribe, like the video, and comment.